Yeah, I'm eating the chicken.
What's it thinking? Don't cook me.
Yeah, I'm going to run away from her.
Too late, it's already chopped up. Is it still cold?
Yep.
Are bits of it frozen still?
It's good. This is not just for me, this is for my dad as well. Yes, guys, my dad is sick with COVID. He's upstairs. Let's pray that he will get better soon. I'm seeing things.
I was going to say, why do you keep looking out there?
I'm seeing things. I thought my dad was outside. I'm definitely going crazy soon today. First, I thought I heard my dad earlier. Not this chicken won't go. Won't cut apart. As soon as I chopped up this chicken, gonna take out the chicken.
Oh.
Gonna take the chicken from nothing.
You're going to wash your hands with this.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, let's do that. Okay. What container, guys? What container?
What for? Do you reckon it's ready yet? Do you reckon it's ready?
Maybe, I don't know.
Have a look. Is that hot?
What do you think, guys? Is it cooked?
I think we'll have to... No, I don't think it'll be cooked yet. I think maybe 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
Yeah.
Container.
Oh.
I was looking for a container. It's right here. Anyway. Oh, I guess what I'm using for the
Is that to catch the oil that leaks out?
and it's the lid for this. Okay, let's turn on the thing first. Alright. Let's get a bowl. I don't know. Okay, let's see.
Do you reckon they're ginger and garlic together?
Comment below if you think that's ginger and garlic together.
I reckon it smells like it. Let me just look what this looks like. See, because that's just ginger. Smell that.
Yeah.
And then smell this. It smells a bit different. Don't you think that smells a bit garlicky too?
Yeah, this is ginger, that's garlic.
Okay.
Defrost. Hopefully the microwave works.
You got some pizzas in here you can have for lunch too, Rach. I just want to make sure you eat.
I do eat.
Yeah, but you only had one tiny hamburger. Tell her, guys, that is not enough.
I gotta lose weight.
Yeah, but
Wait.
this chicken won't be bad for you. Won't be that bad.
It's really fun.
Do you want me to start cooking this?
Yep.
Stirring it?
Yep.
Do you want to get me a wooden spoon or something? Oh, here.
Yeah, you were saying.
Should we snap it?
Be safe. Use that.
What happened to that one?
Right.
You got cranky, did you?
No.
It'll probably melt in here too.
Yeah, don't melt. In it goes. In it goes.
You're going to put the soy sauce in now or when it's a bit more cooked?
When it's a bit more cooked. When it's a bit more cooked.
Are you going to put any spices or anything in or just the soy sauce?
Let's put some Chinese spice. And of course, salt and pepper.
Chicken takes a while to cook, so... How long does that have? I reckon with that, Rach, we're gonna need to cut it open to make sure it's not pink on the inside. Because even if it looks cooked from the outside, it might still be.
Yeah.
We'll probably do it when it gets down to. Let me just check it. Maybe cut here because we'll be able to see. Okay. Oh, no. Should we maybe turn them over?
Yeah. Yeah, this is one way to cut chicken. You have to
Don't do it all.
yeah, eat it.
I reckon the outside would be cooked now, but I'm just worried about
The inside.
yeah.
Okay, so another 10. Another 2 minutes.
Do you want to stop this and come back or?
Keep it going. Just keep going. Keep going.
So guys, you all heard that. Look at her. Let me zoom up. Look at her. Thank you. Everyone comment. Everyone comment.
Fruit salad.
Still, this one wiggles. I was right. I bet you one more time during this video there'll be a wiggle song.
Yeah.
Yep. I was right once, I'm going to be right again. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Gotcha. Caught ya.
Well, I didn't even finish fruit salad.
You were singing about a car. That has nothing to do with what we're doing. What is your favourite Wiggles song?
I didn't say it.
I was trying to get you to sing another one.
What do you do? Say you cook Hot. Yep. No, he's a cool guy.
Is that a good stuff?
No.
What are all these packets? Are the ones that you don't eat? Why don't you put them in a container?
Look at him.
A little one. Is that the little coconut one? Or one of these?
Yeah.